So now, what is the meaning again? There is an electric field. What is the potential at this point? If I bring unit positive charge is too big. So if I bring Q naught charge from infinity to that point, the magnitude of work required is W. So for bringing Q naught to this point, how much work has to be done? Magnitude of work done W. Then for bringing unit positive charge, how much work is required? W by Q naught. So this is the formula for potential at a point in space. Okay, this is the formula for potential due to a point charge at a distance r. Electric field is present, it is established in space. What is the cause? We don't know. Then at a point, how do we find out potential? Bring a small test charge from infinity to that point. The amount of work done is W. Then divide W by Q naught. That gives potential at that point. So, what is the unit of potential? Look at joule per coulomb from this. Unit of potential is joule per coulomb. It is given a name volt. 1 joule per coulomb is 1 volt. Okay. Now higher potential, lower potential. What is the meaning? Electric field lines always flow from higher potential to lower potential. Remember, very, very important. Electric field lines always flow from higher potential to lower potential. This is a very, very important point. Okay, electric field lines always run from higher potential to lower potential. Now in a field, a point charge Q naught is moved from point A to point B. In a field, a point charge is moved from point A to point B. What is the point charge Q naught? What is the work done by electric force? The questions go like this. What is the work done by external force? Look here, always it is moving without any acceleration, slowly. Net work done in moving from A to B is 0. Work is done not only by the field force but also by the external force. Both are equal and opposite. Okay. Now, what do you use? We use the formula potential VA minus VB. Potential at A minus potential at B is work done in moving from A to B. This is by electric force or electrostatic force by Q naught. Potential difference between 2 points is always given by this. VA minus VB is equal to work done by electric force in moving a charge Q naught from A to B. This is the formula. Remember, Q naught has to be substituted with sign. If it is a positive charge, put plus value here. If it is a negative charge, put negative value here. And this can also assume the form, change in between these to change only one. I change this WB to A minus I put electric force by Q naught. Between these two I change only one. Because I have changed one, I put minus here. This is also equal to this. I change both of them now. WB to A external force by Q naught. If I change one of them, suppose A to B, I have changed to B to A. So I pushed minus here, electric force I raised. I change both of them, B to A and this is external force. No need to put minus here. Here also I change now this WB to A, or I change this I have written already, WB to A, electric force I told, WA to be external force. I am changing only one, so put minus here. In all these equations, to find out the potential difference, we should substitute, you can choose any one. This is the basic one. Remember, W work done from A to B by electric force, the charge moved is Q naught. So this is the basic equation. If you change any one of them, you should put minus here. If you change both of them, no need to put minus, it's plus only. Q naught has to be substituted with sign. This is a very, very important model that is generally asked. Most of the time the question is asked like in this. Okay. Now, from this we can find out what is the work done. One more question, the other way of asking. What is the work done by electric force in moving a point charge Q naught from A to B? Then it is Q naught into VA minus VB. What is the work done in moving a point charge Q naught from A to B? What is the work done by electric force? We use this formula and Q naught has to be substituted with sign. Okay. Now, what is the work done in moving charge Q naught from A to B by external force? Is equal to what? You can look here, from A to B external force means this one, minus Q naught into VA minus VB. So this is work done by external force. Here in this equation Q naught has to be substituted with sign. Here also Q naught has to be substituted with sign. Minus is an integral part of this equation. Remember that. Okay. Where do you get this from? In the very basic definition. If you are matured enough, slowly when you solve many problems by using these things you will understand. But what is the very basic root of this? Work done by conservative force is minus of UF minus UI. From there we get this. So in all these equations, Q naught, VA, VB, they have to be substituted with sign. Okay.